Hello everyone and welcome back to RK Recreation. In today's video we will be showing you how to adjust your chain. As you can see, that chain has way too much slack. So your free play should be between a quarter and 3/8 movement. That's literally a lot of movement. You want it, what I do is I literally measure it to a thumb. So that's how much free play you want. What you want to do is loosen these two nuts that hold the back axle carrier bearing in place. Make sure that the socket is fully on the nut, because you do not want the nut to slip. Fit the Allen key in this gap here. So you want to put the Allen key through the hub and into that groove there. So when that groove moves, that's what adjusts the chain tension. So hopefully when that spins, should either tighten or loosen the chain. Right, okay everyone, as you've seen, the chain has too much slack in it on the highest tension setting. So what we're going to have to do is remove the chain from the link and then remove one actual piece of chain. Then you have this cover piece here that should just pop off. Sometimes it gets a bit stuck, so you just use a screwdriver behind that and then pull the back piece out. And that's the chain off. There we go. It's got guard on it. Move it forward then. Move it forward. And that's it. The chain is here, so what we need to do is, for this to connect back up to this, we need to remove not this first link but the second outer link. So the whole of this and this will disappear, and then we should just have a circle like that, so these two will fit inside. Okay, so that's how smooth you have to get it. So this should pop off and it should just pop open. Okay, so what we've done now is we've actually grinded both of these pins off, because it won't pop off when we were chiseling this. So now both sides should just pop off.
Yeah, both of them.
Yeah. Seen these chains? They've actually got rubber washers in them, probably to stop the squeak and stuff. That's how well built this chain is. So now this will just connect back up into there. The guard keeps the chain in place. Okay, we've got the chain on. As you can see, it's too tight. So what we need to do is adjust it. So because it was on its maximum tension, what we need to do is loosen these two bolts. Okay, now we've loosened these two bolts, what you want to do is put the screwdriver inside one of these holes. Once that locks, you're going to just push, pull it back, the whole frame comes back. Okay, so after further adjustment, if you look down here, the grease nipple has now gone to the bottom. Previously this grease nipple was up here. So when you twist this, the whole carrier bearing moves back. So now let's see. On, facing this way. So, because the chain moves that way, you want it so it's facing the opposite so it can't fly off. And that's it. And I think that is enough. Shall we tighten it a bit? Is that too much? Inside there, there's a little hole. Put that in there. And then just gently push forward. Yeah, I think that much is enough, because when you do sit on it, It tightens up anyway.
It's not a game.